Did you know 5 simple spices available in your kitchen can help improve your baby's digestion and hunger? As a parent with a never ending research program, I am sure, like me, you all have been listening to words like gut health, microbiomes, probiotic, prebiotic, gut flora, appetite, digestive health, etc., and wondering where to start and how to help our kids. We just learn something and think about implementing. For sure, it's necessary. So, one simple way to start with is by following traditions. Yes, spices are seamlessly integrated into Indian cuisines that are sometimes overlooked and neglected. We use them in tadka, grind them in masala, add them to milk, add to flavor any food, and use it in many other ways. I'm sure we all are aware of these spices being used in Ayurvedic medicines and many simple home remedies too. Now, one who knows the history will surely appreciate the value of spices, the invasions in India for spices, and so on. Let's not delve into it, but remember that in today's video, where I talk about 5 best Indian spices for improved digestion and appetite in kids, I'll also give you the list of these easily available spices at home and how we can use it for the benefit of our children. Hi people, my name is Kavitha. I'm founder of the food brand Tots and Moms, and I'm passionate about making videos about baby health care, kids health care, recipes, mom health and care, and lots of recipes for even moms. So do check out this channel and let's talk about the 5 spices that can improve digestion and appetite in kids. Now, the first one to begin with is cumin. Cumin aids in the secretion of digestive enzymes and can alleviate bloating and indigestion in children, which they regularly complain about. So you can use it in tadka of any sabzi, curry or dal. The next one is Ajwain or Carom seeds, and these help in relieving indigestion and bloating while promoting overall gut health. So they can be used in making any type of paratha. You just have to sprinkle it while rolling chapati. Even that can be an easy way to include it, and it wouldn't taste bitter. Haldi, turmeric, the golden spice, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory benefits and can soothe digestive discomfort. They can be added in khichdi, turmeric milk, and let me know in comments what all can be done. Next one is fennel seeds or saunf. Fennel seeds are renowned for their ability to stimulate appetite, making them a delightful addition to post-meal refreshment. You go to any restaurant, this is being offered. You add them in tadka or boil water with it and offer in sips to your child. That can be amazing. Cardamom or elaichi aids digestion, adds a sweet fragrance to dishes, making it a versatile spice in both savory and sweet preparations. So go ahead and keep adding it. Other major benefits of spices are that they have amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and also help in regulating blood sugar. So not just children, we also must ensure to include all these spices in our daily foods. We must respect the cultural significance, versatility, and the way our ancestors have beautifully integrated these spices in our cuisines and also have guided us through seasonal usage and benefits of all these spices. So let us start incorporating them in our regular dishes now on with more consciousness and scientific knowledge. And I'm sure this would be the simplest way to help our children maintain a healthy gut, improve digestion and appetite. My cooking journey started very late in life. Mostly after my child was born, I was regularly cooking. So that's when I explored the benefits of spices. So at Tots and Moms foods, we have this product called sweet and savory cookies, which is made with millets and jaggery and has cumin and carom seeds. These are great to be given every alternate day if your child has issues with digestion. I even recommend this to adults with digestion issues, so give it a try. And not just these cookies, all our cookies and all the products at Tots and Moms are naturally flavored with spices, be it cereals, pancakes, milk boosters. All of them have one or the other spice to ensure your child's gut healthy. So Tots and Moms products are available at our own website, totsandmoms.com, and also on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, Meesho. Do check them out, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you implement these in your daily life, and to see, I would be really happy to see your comments on how it helped. And yes, I have 2 video recommendations. One is on benefits of offering soaked almonds to children. The other one is ill effects of your child not sleeping for at least 8 hours. So please go check them out, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.